This is JCR by Eli Layfield. Just creating a little shop life here. Just at the very beginning stages. This is kind of just a lifestyle of mine that I'm kind of getting bigger and starting to get on YouTube. Starting to do some online marketing for my business as well as sell other things as far as the residual income goes. 67 Mustang here. Candy purple. It's here for west end polish and front end assembly, as I didn't paint this one. I am just finishing up my 6 year of apprenticeship into painting. It's definitely been fun adventure, and I'm looking for a bit more now, so this is why I'm starting to do this YouTube thing, as well as online marketing. This is my 72 Plymouth Duster I did in my 6 years of apprenticeship. So I body worked it, took it down and painted it. Through the shop I went through for my apprenticeship. Pretty amazing mentor that was. His name, I'll mention it later. Yeah, so I kind of went my own style on this car. I kind of shaved the byline where the Roadrunner green is. White grille, white door handles, gas tank's the same lighter green. Yeah, this is all my car, right? So had it since I was 16, kind of picking away at it. Right here we have a fiberglass kit car. It's kind of in the works of a restoration, as that's what I'm kind of doing right now. I got the skill set for it, so I'm kind of just picking away at restorations these days. As far as money goes, yeah, they definitely take a lot of money, these projects. This one's got a twin turbo GTR motor in it, and a GTST Skyline. Definitely it's got welded diff and some other drifting parts. I know I'm getting into the race car and drift scene, so this is going to be some fun. Right here we're looking at the other half of the kit car. 283 4-speed bar Warner, independent suspension, Mustang rack. It's going to get running in the next week or two. Then I might blow it apart and paint it up. Independent rear end that's not installed with a Ford 9-inch. Yeah, a little shop tour. This is going to be my future metal fab zone. So I got my welder used one already. I'm going to be going new pretty soon. Gotta get my big snap-on toolbox here. Yeah, we got a fab bench, bandsaw kind of deal. Pretty high ceilings here, so I'm gonna be able to go up higher. I got a little idea over here to put a 4-post 4-car stacker hoist in. I don't know, comment on what you think about that idea. So I want to do a big 4-post hoist all the way up, and up. There is potential for about 3 of these here. At the moment I'm just doing 1, so I can store my cars and bring more customer cars in, because I'm getting really busy here because people like my work, right? Like the quality, attention to detail part. And like I said, I'm kind of, well, I didn't say this yet, but I kind of under the belief that I'm retired and I do what I want when I want, and that's what got me this job here. It's kind of a no rush job. It's still a good paying job, and definitely some other things going on. We got some storage on top of the bathroom there, and you can see I got a Viper front end up there. I don't know if you can see. Just storage. 2 offices, so upstairs and downstairs. And upstairs I'm going to do some other things. Yeah, so this is JCR by Eli Layfield, and I'll be back with a video update and with a cleaner shop, more or less. And this Mustang might be here still, but otherwise it will be on to the next one. I believe I have a 55 Chev coming up, and I got a couple other Chevs for some reason. I do enjoy and specialize in more Porsches. None in the shop right now, unfortunately. I do aim to buy one, and yeah. I don't know, leave a comment on what you think of this lifestyle of mine I'm starting to create. I know everything's been done already, but this is just my own brand. And I'm really pushing online marketing for you guys right now, as I know my green Duster right here, I'm using Bitcoin to finish it. there's no more money in my pocket coming out for that car, so Bitcoin's gonna pay for that. Don't want to know. If you want to know how, you can just ask me. It's more so Bitcoin trading. I don't know how this guy's paying for that. This one's gonna be an Ethereum car. That's my car again. So I'm gonna start withdrawing my Ethereum and pay for that car. More or less, like I only got 4 or 5 grand into it, so it's already paid for. I just need to start painting it into more time. I need time for all my projects, and that's why I'm promoting online income, because I can really have more time to pick and choose my work and pick and choose what I do with my day. And it gives me more freedom to understand what I'm doing with my time. Like I'm videotaping a white wall, right? And I just try to visualize and create an art piece. I got another 65 Mustang that's gonna be get wall art and place it on the wall, maybe there, maybe there, maybe there. But you'll see that in a future video. Anyways, thanks for watching, and this is Eli with JCR, creating a shop life lifestyle. Thanks.